And there could be problems here for Amazulu. Early on here, Anderson. There's still a chance here. Before he makes a save, and another. Oh my God, how the Chiefs. Look at this again. Talk us through this, Talk.
Yeah, I think Rama was just caught into minds. Had the first opportunity to play it very quickly. The second time, he second guesses. But you look at his body positioning, passing. He goes flat instead of making himself available again to lock the ball.
Now, can we get a cutback here from Morris? So he's going to fire one in into the side net from Shabalala. Joint top scorer for Kaizer Chiefs. Tutuzi Shabalala with 4 goals in his campaign, combining well there with a new man, and Rick Frostler involved as well.
I think Lilepo does really well to just give Rick Frostler that room.
Now it's opening up here, crunching challenge, but the referee didn't like it. And it was double clear, they went in a little bit too hard for the referee's liking. The referee was given the free kick. I wonder whether there'll be more than that here. That's a dangerous challenge.
Yeah, dangerous tackle.
Again. But that's a good passage of play again. And Frostler with a cutback. Oh my, what will that be? Is that going to be given to Tashrik Morris? It could even be an own goal, you know. But guess what? It's in the net. That's all that matters. Chiefs have a well-deserved lead for the start they've made in this game. He's claiming it. He's claiming it as Tashrik Morris. A goal on debut, is it?
A goal on debut, indeed. This will all go well for Tashrik Morris. We spoke about his height. We spoke about just his presence and giving Kaizer Chiefs a new dynamic. He's challenging for those aerial duels. And that's the first way to compete. You have to challenge those aerial duels.
So Chiefs up and running, and reward really for the start they've made. They've looked the more dangerous, they've created a better chances. Frostler combining there with Lilepo. Amanda, the minute you want to commit, who scores here? What the best 2019 season. But Amazulu could get red cards and will tell here. Murabi! And Chiefs defense is breached again. What a response from Amazulu. The Chiefs defense got squared. More head scratching for Nabi. His first of the campaign. And what a time to get it. They could be slipping out of contention. That's a great ball in, yeah. Shabalala, this time can he win it? Excellent defending from Adamu. What a ball to pick him out from Yusuf Ward. And again, Shabalala. Unconvincing clearly there in the area. Just also scored on debut as Richard Ofori, never a dull moment. Played 4 and they've only managed the 1 win. They've lost 3 of those matches. Could be problems here! And that would have been spectacular from Morris. Now that would have been a spectacular opening your account. Great ball to play him in though.
Yeah, great ball indeed. He's hungry. He's showing the desire. He knows where his whereabouts, and that's the typical striker. Doesn't need a second invitation, allows the ball to just bounce, follows it all the way through, allows it to bounce and tries to connect on the laces.
But it's not possession high up in the field here with Mordi. Good work from Lilepo. Winning possession high up in the field, and I think this is something we saw, particularly in the first half against the Pirates, that high press.
Yeah, that high press is very important for Kaizer Chiefs. They've been working on it. More defaults.
Morris helping on in defense. A good break here. This is attacking Chiefs here. They play this right. Yusuf Morris took too long to have the shot and was pickpocketed. Great finish, great recovery from Amazulu. Coming in and it's good and a touch from
was all wrong with that. This is good.
the second game in a row. Misses the clearest opportunity, maybe not as easy as the one on Saturday. How do you not hit the target?
End-to-end stuff and the Chiefs is trying to force an immediate response. Richard comes out.
Sifuna ukufutela ukuthi lingenele ingabhekwayo ukusabela nakulay Amazulu lokele ingene ngodumo hayi kosisikele ingene hayi Itela ile Itali nzole kubangisa ngapha abahlala
I didn't say it over second ago. We haven't seen the last of the goal. Glory, Liverpool. And it's glory, only Liverpool. A mess for a glory. Oh, wow. Sergio, the creative player, but the Chiefs could be corner again. And the upright in time. Some Galazonians come onto the field, and that was the last contribution for Koulibaly. Gets a nice round of applause to Amazulu. Had a very good first half. It's a great ball! Oh my goodness! There's more goals in this one. Now racing into the box here. Chance here for Liverpool. And what the speed! Oh, what are we watching? Liverpool was in there. Good to hit it away. And comes back to Sergio. Whips it back in there. Powerful and it puts it wide. What a chance. Crush Big Morris. Football will kill you. It's not the ends for Chiefs here. Going to the back post there. Volley across the face and missed by Chiefs. Was it? Oh my goodness. Oh, the number of chances